Bonjour et bienvenue à cette nouvelle session de français en ligne. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes mercredi 24 juin 2020. Tu répètes? Mercredi 24 juin 2020. Super. Bon, aujourd'hui, today, last session, la dernière, the last. Last session, good job guys. We all made it together as one team. That's perfect. Okay? So, we have been working the past 3 weeks on the topic of bien, the house, la maison. Okay? We did reading, we did writing, we did listening, and now, as you know, always the final project in French is speaking. So, I'm gonna let you introduce what we are going next, okay, after the introduction, and then we do the fourth challenge and the last, okay, of the French speaking world, guys. Okay, so stay tuned. C'est parti. The last video of this year, guys, and that year distance learning. So, the topic of today, bienvenue chez moi. Tu répètes, bienvenue chez moi. Okay? Welcome at mine. Okay? Welcome at my place, at my house, at mine. Okay? Bien. La maison, week 4, the main topic. Okay? So, here we are. Final project, le projet final. Week 1, la maison. So, to recap the vocab, I want you to click on that link. Okay? And you're gonna have the vocab, the vocabulary. I also insist to see the video of week 1, obviously, the lesson, to recap also the words we have been working on. If you remember week 2, we worked on la chambre, okay? Le vocab, the bedroom, okay? So click on that link, you're gonna have a song, okay, of Alain Lelay. It's a nice song to recap the vocab too of the bedroom and all the vocab we've been working on. So I also insist to see the vocab and the video that we work together, okay? And then you have week 3. So last week we worked with Ines and Mayol, okay? They were introducing their houses or apartment, okay? Bien. And then the last, week 4, bienvenue chez moi. So here it's the final project. So week 1, week 2, we saw the vocab, okay? Week 3, we did listening, and week 4, we do speaking. So, like Ines and Mayol did, okay, to be recording their place and the different rooms, I expect you to do like Mayol and Ines. So you merely have to be recorded, going in each room and saying, okay, here it's, that's it. Okay, so that's the kitchen. Here's my bedroom. In my bedroom we have a bed, we have a lamp, we have a mat, okay, we have shelves, like whatever you want, but that we saw in the classroom, okay, in the video, in the lesson. So after the first the 3 first sessions you are expected to, as Mayul and Ines talk about the house, like as I said, record yourself going to each room. So I want you to go on some specific rooms, because obviously I don't need to know all your house. So I want you to go la cuisine, the kitchen, okay, le salon, the living room, ta chambre, and that's very important. Ta chambre, your bedroom, only your bedroom, okay? So as bedrooms, I only see yours. And then la salle de bain, okay? So la salle de bain, what is that? Yeah, the bathroom, okay? So I want you to at least go on 4 of your rooms in the house. Okay, the video does not last more than 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay? And in French, don't speak English, please. I insist on that. Okay? That's done in French. I give the instructions in English to make sure that everyone has the main information. Okay? Vocabulaire. Donc, on va utiliser ici. Tu répètes ici. Ici. Ici means here. Ensuite, on a c'est. C'est. Tu répètes c'est. This is. Okay? Say this is, that's it. C'est. Il y a. Il y a. There is. Or there are. Is the same. Bien. With that, you're done. Okay, so you may really have to do maximum 2 minutes vidéo, 4 rooms. Ok, une vidéo de 2 minutes, 4 pièces. La cuisine, le salon, ta chambre, la salle de bain. Okay. And then at the end, we're going to work on the challenge 4. So now you know that in the Arabic world, French is an important language too. So that can give you keys for your future working on that region of the world. Okay, Middle East and Maghreb. French is a very important language. After Arabic, English, then French. Okay, as important language to deal with. We live in the UAE, right? But the UAE is not a French-speaking country. But I want you to investigate where you can see France represented in the UAE. 4. The challenge will be 4 pictures. I want a picture of where can you find the Eiffel Tower in Dubai. We say Dubai, give you a hint. Where is the Louvre, the famous French museum in the UAE? Do you know a French bakery since 1889 present in all the malls here? So I ask you to investigate about that famous French bakery that's present in all cities in France. In train stations, in downtown, in each city. Okay, that's very famous, and we have it here too. So if you don't know, put bakery 1889. Okay, you put that, and you're gonna find the brand. Do you know French restaurant? Okay, so you have 4 bullet points. If you know more about France in the UAE, some French places, just go ahead and you can send me pictures too. So send a picture for at least the 4 bullet points. If you know more about France institutions in the UAE, just send picture of it. If you don't have pictures, talk to your parents about to have some help, and you can also send pictures from Google too. So you just have to Google and you'll find it. And you can send me that picture, okay? Let's find France in the UAE, guys. This is a rapidity challenge. The first per class submitting the challenge will be the winner. So, yalla, c'est parti. Ok, c'est fini. Bonnes vacances. Tu répètes? Bonnes vacances. Ok? Have a nice break, guys. Au revoir.